Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by locating your laptop brightness controls so you can adjust quickly. Many keyboards have function keys with a sun icon for brightness. Use those keys while holding the FN key if needed. On Windows, open Action Center and drag the brightness slider between 0 and 100%. On Mac OS, open Control Center and move the brightness slider to match your environment. Some laptops include dedicated hardware buttons or a touch bar for precise adjustments. Practice changing brightness to find a comfortable level for your eyes. If keys do not work, use System Settings to change display brightness instead. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Display, and move the brightness and color slider. You can also open Settings and search brightness or use hotkeys like Windows +A. On Mac OS, open System Settings, then Displays to change brightness and enable True Tone if available. Install or update display drivers from Device Manager or the laptop vendor site to restore brightness control. Restart after driver updates to ensure changes take effect. If brightness still misbehaves, run these troubleshooting steps to isolate the problem. Disable adaptive brightness in power options or in the display settings because it can change brightness automatically. Check power mode and set it to balanced or best performance to allow higher brightness while on battery. Update the graphics driver, run Windows Update, and consider updating BIOS from the manufacturer. Test with an external monitor to determine if the internal panel or hardware is faulty. If hardware fails, contact support or a repair service for panel replacement.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.